Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to Madam Kenny and friend. My name is Ahmad Hani bin Ahmad Khizwan from DE3C. Today I will compare two products, which is joystick. This is a Venison joystick and this is clip-tab joystick. First, this joystick is very colorful, but this joystick is black in white in color. Then this joystick have LED light which we can play at night, but this joystick do not have LED light. Next, this joystick cable is very long, but the joystick cable is short. Then this joystick is small that we can play. That is comfortable to play, but this joystick is big, so it hard to play. Beside that, the button is soft and do not easy to broken. But this joystick button is hard. Lastly, this joystick come with two pieces if we buy it at shop, but this joystick has just one pieces. Thank you.